Hello and welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. Oliveboard has come up with a series called Word of the Day, and today is day 65 of the series. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning, and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you enhance your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is subsume. The meaning of the word subsume is include or absorb something in something else. I repeat, the meaning of the word subsume is include or absorb something in something else. Now, guys, let us look at a sentence and try to understand this word subsume better with the help of that sentence. The sentence that is given to us says most of these phenomena can be subsumed under two broad categories. So, most of these phenomena can be included or can be absorbed under two broad categories. Here, subsumed is being used as a verb. Now, let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word subsume. The synonyms can be include, incorporate, or encompass. The antonyms, on the other hand, can be exclude or miss out. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi to understand this word subsume better. जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड subsume को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was most of these phenomena can be subsumed under two broad categories. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है इनमें से अधिकांश घटनाओं को दो व्यापक श्रेणियों में शामिल किया जा सकता है. सो यहाँ पर subsume का मतलब है शामिल करना. So guys, we have used both the languages Hindi as well as English to understand this word subsume better. I hope you liked the session. Like the video, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you and have a nice day.